Who am I in the community? I'm known as. Well, I wanted to know as one thing. I wanted to be known as Californian EAS Creator, but that never really took off. So I just stuck with Herocrafter6021. Who in the community do I have strong relations with? If I have strong relations with EAS Guy 114, Radioactive Girl, and Con 6510. My best scenario, I would think it would be the birds. EAS scenarios, the birds. My greatest enemy in the community. EAS Freak, probably. My plans for the future of the community. I plan to make a community-wide collaboration, like what Clay Ranger and Radioactive Girl did in Rising Heat, and what Floppy Disk Drive and Radioactive Girl are doing in the statewide tornado. That's what I want to do, but instead of it just being two people, like everyone in the community. Yes, we are. We are friends. I mean, drama in the community. I mean, it hasn't reached a breaking point as of yet, but it needs to get solved. Either in the future or and I would prefer that it would be ending in a few months or a few weeks. But yeah, it's not gonna end. Yeah. Favorite other creators' videos? Well, I do like Rising Heat, which by Radioactive Girl and Clay Ranger. I also like Global Superstorm by EAS Guy. And I'm trying to remember a few of them. And any video by Ordinary Creator. Favorite music video? I know I'm gonna sound like I'm memeing here a little bit, but my favorite music video is actually Despacito. Pets. I have 2 dogs. One is called Cheese, and the other one is called. Let's see here. Let's see. Hold on. The other one I haven't really figured out a name yet. She's still a puppy. I would consider myself a good person. The definition of a good person is very broad, and it's still up for debate if I'm a good person. Best friend in the community. EAS Guy 114 and Con. Favorite EAS equipment. Well, I only have one EAS equipment, which is the Midland WR120, and I'm planning on getting a WR100 soon. No. I don't know any good jokes. I'm sorry. Well, I do play a lot of video games. Like as the name suggests, I do play Minecraft. I play Gmod, and I also play GTA 5. Other than that, I think I like computers, and I also like history. I say it went pretty well. Yeah, it went pretty well. Thanks for having me. Well, bye.